This question is from Theory of Machines for 1 mark. A flat-faced follower is driven using a circular eccentric cam rotating at a constant angular velocity omega. At time t is equal to 0, the vertical position of the follower is y of 0 is equal to 0 and the system configuration is shown below. The vertical position of the follower face y of t is given by. So for this multiple choice question, the correct answer is option C. Let's look at the solution. Let us consider the initial configuration of cam when t is equal to 0 is represented by the solid line, where A is the intersection point of the vertical axis and horizontal axis of the cam. Let us consider O as the center of rotation of the cam with eccentricity E, which is denoted by the distance between point O and point A. It is also given in the question that the cam is rotated with constant angular velocity omega, but in the question we were not provided with the direction of rotation. So let us assume the direction of rotation of cam as clockwise direction. So when time passes on, let us assume that one particular instant when the cam makes an angular displacement theta, and that particular instant is represented by the dashed line. So in this process of angular displacement theta in the clockwise direction with angular velocity omega, point A shifts to point B along AB path. Now from point B, drop a perpendicular to the vertical axis of the cam and represent that point as C. Now we can say that OBC is a right angled triangle with an included angle of theta at O. If you look at the distance, vertical distance between the dashed line and the solid line, that is the vertical follower motion. So that is to be determined now. Therefore, we can write P, which is to be known, is nothing but XY, but XY is nothing but AC. Okay, but AC can be written as OA minus OC. From triangle OBC, OC is nothing but OB cos theta. Now, as a consequence of rotation of the cam in clockwise direction, we can say that OA is equal to OB because point A is just shifted to point B. Therefore, OA will be equal to OB. So just write that to get P is equal to OA minus OA cos theta. From this, we can take out OA as common and we can write P is equal to OA into 1 minus cos theta. Now we have taken that theta is the angular displacement. According to the standard definition of angular velocity is equal to rate of change of angular displacement, that is theta by t is equal to omega. From this we can write theta is equal to omega into t. We can directly substitute that expression in the above expression to get P is equal to OA into 1 minus cos omega t. But from the figure it is clear that OA is equal to eccentricity E. So when we substitute that, we get the vertical follower motion is given by E into 1 minus cos omega t.